Hello, my name is Yuna. I am a student in the city. I love my quiet life. Yesterday was a very long day. I traveled by train from the mountains. The train station was very busy. There were too many people. Everyone had big bags and suitcases. My suitcase is brown leather. It is old, but I like it. I was very tired when I arrived in the city. I just wanted to go home and sleep. Finally, I arrived at my small apartment. It is a cozy place. I put the heavy brown suitcase on the floor. I made a cup of tea. I looked at the suitcase. Something was strange. It looked like my suitcase, but it felt different. Maybe the handle was different? I was confused. I decided to open it and take out my clothes. I opened the metal lock. Click. I lifted the top. I stopped. I did not see my colorful sweaters. I did not see my books. The suitcase was full of strange things. My heart started to beat fast. What is this? Whose suitcase is this? I looked closer. First, I saw 3 different passports. I opened one. The photo was a man with a beard. The name was Ivan Petrov. I opened the second passport. The photo was the same man, but no beard. The name was John Smith. Next, I saw a thick black folder. It had a big red stamp on it. Top secret. Under the folder, there was a strange metal device with an antenna. It looked like an old radio. I was very scared now. Is this a mistake? Is the owner a bad person? Is he a spy? I wanted to close the suitcase and run away. Suddenly, a sound came from inside the suitcase. The sound was loud in my quiet room. My hands shook. Should I answer it? Slowly, I picked up the small phone. I put it to my ear. I whispered, "Hello?" A deep voice on the other side said, "Do you have the package? We are watching you."